How to book appointment for Mexico visa. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can request your visa or request a book appointment if you need your visa and are from Mexico. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically you just have to write Control Mex here in Google and they're gonna appear different pages. Some of these are in Houston, for instance, or Los Angeles. I'm going into the first one because all you need to do is go into consulmex.sre.gov.mx. The slash Houston is just for the city if you need it, but I'm gonna do it without the city. And there you're gonna have a big list of cities where you can request your visa. So let's suppose by now I'm going with Los Angeles. Okay, and almost in all the cities here on top of this image, you're gonna find visas for foreigners. So you just have to click there, and there you're gonna have the info you need in order to request your visa. Just remember you do not need to process Mexican visa as long as the time of your visit is less than 180 days. By now I'm going to be scrolling down because in case of requiring a visa, you must contact the visa department, and if you wish to make an appointment or require additional information, please contact the visa department through the official email. So you just have to write into this email. In the case of Los Angeles, it could be a different process depending on the city you are in. And then you're going to write an email to specify your case, required that appointment, and that way you're going to get your visa. Since the beginning of 2022, the amount of $51 will be charged for each visa application received. Okay? And every visa application will generate a non-refundable payment. That's important to know too. There you're gonna find more info. Perhaps it's gonna be helpful for you. And that's it. That's how you can request or book an appointment for Mexico visa. Remember, the process could be different depending on the city you are in. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.